Now, we are helping you protect paradise as you head to the beach this weekend.
Yeah, there is a big plastic problem with sea turtles and some new information on this. WPTV News Channel 5's Alana Quillen is live outside Lake Worth to show us what's unfolding. Alana.
Good morning, guys. The challenge continues to find as much trash as we can in between our live reports this morning. And here's what we found so far. We've got a pretty impressive pile of plastics that we found. Microplastics is the problem that we're talking about. This ends up in the ocean and breaks down into tiny pieces, which then gets eaten by the sea turtles. Now, that new research published in the journal Global Change Biology found plastic in more than 100 sea turtles of all 7 species across the world. Stuff they found in the turtles' guts included tire pieces, cigarettes, and even fishing line. That study also estimates between 5 million and 12 million tons of plastic waste could be entering our oceans every year. Loggerhead Marine Life Center has found the same problem locally, mainly in new hatchlings and young turtles.
Plastics don't go away from the environment. They basically just break down into smaller and smaller pieces. And the smaller pieces are the ones that affect the smaller animals out there.
Researchers say the area where the baby turtles live lies within the seaweed line offshore, and that's where the trash gets caught. Now, if you want to help, obviously clean up the trash on the beach. That's what we're going to do after we're done with our live reports this morning. But you'll want to reduce the amount of plastic that you're using, plastic cutlery, straws, and other things like plastic cups. Anything you can do to prevent that kind of trash from ending up in the ocean. Reporting live in Lake Worth, Alana Quillen, WPTV News Channel 5.